Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. I am Joe.
Hi, everyone, and I am Anna. We're really happy you are here with us today.
If you enjoy learning English in a simple way, please take a second to like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really supports us.
Today, we're talking about something very important.
Yes, something that confuses many English learners.
We are talking about the future.
More specifically, will and going to.
Exactly. Many students ask, what is the difference?
And honestly, it can feel confusing at first.
Very confusing. Sometimes both sentences look similar.
For example, I will call you.
And I am going to call you.
Both talk about the future.
Yes, both are correct.
But they are not always used in the same situation.
That is the key. The situation changes the meaning.
So today, we will make it simple.
Very simple. Beginner-friendly.
Let's start with an easy example.
Okay, imagine it is Friday.
And I ask you, what are you doing this weekend?
If I already made a plan yesterday, I can say, I am going to visit my parents.
So that plan existed before you spoke.
Yes, it was already decided.
Now imagine something different.
Okay.
Your phone rings right now.
Oh,
And you say, I will answer it.
that decision happened at that moment.
Exactly, not before, just now.
So we already see a small difference.
Yes, one is a plan.
And one is a quick decision.
Don't worry if it still feels a little unclear.
That's normal.
We're going to practice step by step.
With real-life examples and natural conversation,
By the end of this episode,
you will feel much more confident using both forms. So, like we said, sometimes the decision happens right now.
yes, at the moment of speaking.
This is when we often use will.
Let's imagine a real situation.
Okay?
We are sitting at home. Suddenly, it starts raining.
Oh no, the window is open.
And you say, I will close the window.
I did not plan it before.
No, you decided instantly.
That word is important. Instantly.
Yes, an instant decision.
Here's another example.
Go ahead.
You look tired. I say, I will make you some tea.
That sounds nice.
But again, I decided at that moment.
So, will is often used for offers.
Exactly. Offers and help.
Like, I will help you with your homework.
Or, I'll carry your bag.
We usually say I'll in conversation.
Yes, short form. I will becomes I'll.
That sounds more natural.
Now let's talk about promises.
Ah, yes. Promises are important.
If I say, I will call you tonight.
That sounds like a promise.
Yes, I am giving my word.
Another example, I won't forget.
Good one. Won't means will not.
So we use will for instant decisions, offers, and promises.
Let's try a mini situation.
Okay,
The phone is ringing.
I'll answer it.
Very good. You look cold. I'll close the door.
Perfect.
You forgot your wallet.
Oh no, I'll come back and get it.
See how natural that feels?
Yes, the decision happens now.
No plan before.
Just a quick reaction.
That is the power of will.
Simple, practical, and very common in daily English.
So we talked about instant decisions.
Yes, now let's look at plans.
Plans are different.
Very different.
When we already decided before speaking, we usually use going to.
So the decision is not new.
Exactly. It existed before this moment.
Let's imagine something simple.
Okay.
Yesterday I bought a train ticket.
So you already made a plan.
Yes, so today I can say, I am going to travel tomorrow.
because the plan is already arranged.
Correct.
Here's another example.
Go ahead.
Last week, I decided to start exercising.
Oh, that's great.
So I say, I am going to go to the gym tonight.
You planned it before this conversation.
Yes, that is the key idea.
Let's compare two sentences.
Okay?
First one, I will study tonight.
That sounds like you just decided.
Right. Now the second one, I am going to study tonight.
That sounds like it was already planned.
Exactly.
So going to shows intention.
Good word. Intention means something you plan to do.
Yes, something in your mind before now.
Let's try a small situation.
Okay?
I ask you, why are you wearing sports clothes?
I'm going to play football.
Because you already decided.
Yes, maybe I even told my friends yesterday.
Another example.
You have paint and a brush.
And I say, I am going to paint my room.
The plan existed before.
Exactly.
Remember something important.
What is it?
With going to, we must use am, is, or are.
Yes, I am going to, she is going to, they are going to.
Structure matters.
Very much.
So now we see the difference clearly.
Will is for quick decisions.
And going to is for plans made before.
Simple idea.
Very practical.
And we are going to explore even more examples next.
And sometimes both will and going to can talk about predictions.
Yes, but the reason is different.
Exactly. That is where many learners get confused.
Let's start with a simple situation.
Okay.
Look at the sky. The clouds are very dark.
Oh, yes. It looks serious.
So I say, it is going to rain.
Because you see evidence.
Good word. Evidence means something you can see or observe.
Yes, the dark clouds are clear evidence.
So we use going to when we see signs.
Now let's change the situation.
Okay.
I did not check the sky,
You have no evidence.
but I say, I think it will rain tomorrow.
Ah, that is your opinion.
Exactly, just my thought.
So with predictions, will is often used for opinions,
Yes, things we believe.
and going to is often used when we see clear signs.
Let's try another example.
Okay.
You see a child running very fast.
And there is a small rock in front of him,
You say, he is going to fall.
because you can see it almost happening.
Yes, it feels very likely.
Now imagine something different.
Go ahead.
You are talking about the future of technology. You say, I think robots will help us more in the future.
That's just my opinion.
Exactly.
So the difference is small, but important.
Yes. Evidence versus opinion.
Let's compare two sentences clearly.
Okay.
Look at those clouds. It is going to rain.
And I think it will rain tomorrow.
One is based on what we see now.
The other is based on what we believe.
Do you see how natural this feels in conversation?
Yes, native speakers use both forms all the time.
You don't need to be perfect.
Just understand the idea behind it.
Plan, instant decision, evidence, opinion.
4 simple ideas.
And they make future English much clearer.
And we're going to fix some common mistakes next.
And even with these simple rules.
People still make small mistakes.
Yes, very common mistakes.
But don't worry, mistakes are normal.
They are part of learning.
Let's talk about the first common mistake.
Many learners use will for everything.
Yes, for every future sentence.
For example, someone says, tomorrow I will go to the dentist.
Is that wrong?
Not always wrong.
But maybe it was planned last week.
Exactly. If it was planned before, I am going to go to the dentist sounds more natural.
So we should think, was this decided before or now?
That question helps a lot.
Here's another mistake.
Forgetting the structure of going to.
Oh, yes, very common.
Some learners say, I going to study.
But that is missing something.
Yes, we need am.
So it becomes, I am going to study.
Structure is important.
Am, is, are.
Let's practice quickly.
Okay.
She going to travel.
She is going to travel.
Good. They going to watch a movie.
They are going to watch a movie.
Perfect.
What about negative sentences?
Good question.
With will, we say will not or won't.
For example, I won't be late.
And with going to, we say I am not going to be late.
Yes, just add not after am, is, or are.
Another small mistake is mixing both forms together.
Oh, yes.
Some people say, I will going to study.
That is not correct.
You must choose one.
Either I will study,
Or I am going to study.
not both.
Simple choice.
Let's do one last mini example.
Okay,
You suddenly feel hungry.
I'll make a sandwich.
Good. Now imagine you already planned dinner earlier.
I am going to cook pasta tonight.
Excellent.
See? When you think about the situation, it becomes much easier.
Yes, understanding is more important than memorizing rules.
And that makes learning English less stressful.
So now we understand the difference much better.
Yes, will and going to feel clearer now.
Before we finish, let's review some important words from today.
Good idea. Simple review helps memory.
First word, future.
Future means the time after now.
Example, we will travel in the future.
Next word, decision.
A decision is a choice you make.
Example, I made a decision to study English.
Next word, plan.
A plan is something you decide before it happens.
Example, I am going to visit my friend. It is my plan.
Next word, intention.
Intention is similar to plan. It is something you want to do.
Example, my intention is to improve my speaking.
Next word, prediction.
Prediction means saying what you think will happen.
Example, I think it will rain tomorrow.
Next word, evidence.
Evidence is something you can see or observe.
Example, look at the dark clouds. It is going to rain.
Next word, opinion.
Opinion is your personal thought or belief.
Example, in my opinion, English will become even more global.
Next word, promise.
A promise is when you say you will do something.
Example, I will help you, I promise.
And finally, structure.
Structure means the correct form of a sentence.
Example, I am going to study, not I going to study.
Now, here is a question for you.
Yes, we want you to practice.
Write one sentence with will.
And one sentence with going to.
Keep it simple.
For example, I will call my friend.
I am going to watch a movie tonight.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Do not be afraid of small mistakes.
They help you grow.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video.
And share it with someone who struggles with future tense.
And don't forget to subscribe for more simple English conversation practice.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
And keep building your confidence.
We will see you in the next episode.